Intro, tell me all you got in here.
6 DB412s, 3 DC 10Ks, 208 amp hour C-Max batteries, which are fantastic. I mean, like, I'm all day, I'm still only down to 14.8,
Wow.
so should be doing right around a 61 right there in the kick, everything.
What frequency you think?
It did it the other day, first turn on at 53, but the truck peaks at 51, so I was a little higher. And sealed up is actually like 57 hertz. And I haven't done anything at 57. I'm going to, this is literally the first time. This is it.
That's right. What are you wired to? What you wired to?
0.6.
0.6? That's awesome. I like the orange appearance.
They're removable to be able to paint them. That's the best part, man.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Rusty Flowers hooked me up. Team Tapouts, Vladimir hooked me up. I mean, yeah, with Team Tapouts, you know.
Appreciate it. Nice big box.
Yeah, a little bit. That was a quick thing.
Who we talking to, man? Who we talking to, bitch? Any nigga that act like a witch. Any bitch that act like a motherfucking bitch. Any pussy nigga that's a motherfucking bitch. I'm sending shit out to y'all, man. Fuck y'all, please, man. Ain't that what a motherfucking bitch. That's how we gonna put this shit down for y'all niggas. We run this. We run this.
You have a heart burner?
Wait, what? It was a way to walk away.
He told me he had a heart murmur. You can't say it was drunk if he has any kind of heart murmur or nothing. No, I can't put it drunk. Oh, okay.
No, I'm straight, bro.
No, I'm like, man, fuck that. I almost killed a guy in Walmart. For real. Like, that's not a joke.
Talking to, man, who we talking to, bitch? Any nigga that act like a witch. Any bitch that act like a motherfucking bitch. Any pussy nigga that's a motherfucking bitch. I'm sending shit out to y'all, man. Fuck y'all, please, man. Ain't that what a motherfucking bitch. That's how we gonna put this shit down for y'all niggas. We run this. We run this.
What's your meter now? You don't know yet?
Should be right around a 61 on that. I know I can turn it up. I got 5 more clicks if I want.
No, just let them break in and don't.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, I'll turn it up a little bit tomorrow.
Any bitch that act like a motherfucking bitch. Any pussy nigga that's a motherfucking bitch. Send this shit out to y'all, man. Fuck y'all, please. Ain't that but a motherfucking. Okay, that's how we gonna put this shit down for y'all
That's dangerous.
Woo! Alright, that ain't no fucking Here. I got a whole cooler over there full.
That ain't no joke. Not no joke.
This is different.
talking to, man? Who we talking to, bitch? Any nigga that act like a witch. Any bitch that act like a motherfucking bitch. Any pussy nigga that's a motherfucking bitch. I'm sending this shit out to y'all, man. Fuck y'all, please. We ain't never but a motherfucking bitch. Okay, that's how we gonna put this shit down for y'all niggas.
I seen it coming. Hold on. I seen it coming. You were like, do I do it? I've been waiting to get it.
Yeah, me too.
You were like, do I do it?
What's going on, everybody? This is JACOBVIRAL ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.